Want to build your McBling wardrobe, but you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. Today, we're diving deep into the McBling aesthetic, what it is, how you can build your own McBling wardrobe, and a guide to makeup and websites. Let's get into it. All right, first things first. People often confuse McBling with the Y2K aesthetic. While they come from around the same period, they're actually worlds apart. Y2K is all about that 90s turn of the millennium vibe. Futuristic, edgy, and inspired by tech and sci-fi. Think metallics, silvers, and androgynous cuts with sleek, synthetic fabrics like PVC and chrome. McBling, on the other hand, took off in the early 2000s and is more about luxury, glam, and hyperfemininity. It's flashy and flirty, inspired by pop culture's love of celebrity life, with icons like Paris Hilton, Britany Spears, and Hilary Duff that inspired the aesthetic and define its unapologetically girly, high-glam look. Low-rise jeans paired with bedazzled belts, juicy couture tracksuits, and oversized sunglasses are some staple pieces of this aesthetic. Now let's explore the essential pieces that define this dazzling style. McBling's color palette is playful, glamorous, and a little bit daring. Beyond pink and baby blue, you'll find colors like dark blue, white, gray, and sometimes even red, black, lavender, green, orange, and yellow. When it comes to materials, McBling embraces touchable luxe textures. In addition to velour, satin, and lace, this aesthetic loves denim, cotton for tees and tanks, and faux fur trims on jackets. Leather adds edge, particularly in bags and accessories, while glittery fabrics like rhinestones bring sparkle to everything from tops to belts. Now let's break down the essentials. Let's start with tracksuits, a defining piece of McBling fashion. You'll need 1 to 2 juicy couture tracksuits in velour. Pair these with accessories like golden hoop earrings and oversized sunglasses with rhinestone or logo accents to nail the look. The right bottoms set the foundation for any McBling outfit. Go for 1 pair of low-rise, bedazzled, or featuring custom details, denim jeans. Add a pair of denim shorts with frayed edges or embroidery, a set of terry cloth shorts and a matching tube top, and 1 pair of velour sweats that will give you that relaxed yet stylish off-duty look. Complete your collection with a pair of Uggs in a neutral tone like tan or chestnut to tie everything together. Miniskirts are a McBling must-have. Stick with 1 denim miniskirt, pleated or classic, and 1 black leather skirt to add a touch of edge. To accessorize, grab 1 rhinestone-studded belt and 1 designer-inspired belt. Also consider adding a waist chain. Tops in McBling fashion are all about versatility and flair. Stock up on 2 camis, ideally in luxe fabrics or bold colors, and a halter top with tie-up or rhinestone details. Include 2 tube tops that can double as part of a set with terry cloth shorts, and add 1 to 2 spaghetti strap tops and tank tops. Don't forget 1 crop top with fun embellishments and 1 to 2 graphic baby tees to round out your collection. Dresses are perfect for a McBling night out. You'll need a silver sparkly dress with a plunging neckline to make a statement, along with 1 strapless mini dress in pink for a touch of glam. Here are some additional dresses and sets. Layer your outfits with statement outerwear. Some must-haves are 2 sweaters. Add 1 jacket with faux fur trims for a luxurious vibe, and choose between a leather or denim jacket to bring a casual yet chic edge to your wardrobe. Footwear in the McBling aesthetic is all about mixing comfort and glam. You'll need 1 pair of sneakers with rhinestone or metallic accents, some chunky platform sandals for casual looks, and a pair of strappy heels with glittery details, along with some kitten heels and a pair of black stilettos. An additional option would be knee-high boots. No McBling wardrobe is complete without the right bag. Go for 1 designer-inspired bag, like a Louis Vuitton Murakami, Dior saddle, or a Fendi baguette, and pair it with something more affordable. If you need more budget-friendly bags, check out non-designer options on Shein, Amazon, Depop, eBay, or Etsy that still match the McBling aesthetic perfectly. Finally, accessories are where McBling really shines. Add a trucker hat or a newsboy cap, 1 bracelet, and necklace. A nameplate necklace is another key piece that will greatly complete your look. For the McBling look, makeup and beauty are crucial aspects. 1. Hair. Go for two-toned highlights, colored streaks, or puffed-up side-swept bangs for maximum effect. You could also straighten it out with a flat iron for that classic 2000s look, or add rhinestone hair clips for a little sparkle. 2. Makeup. To nail that 2000s McBling vibe, start by giving your brows a thinner, sleek shape. First, apply foundation evenly across your face using a sponge or brush, ensuring you've got a flawless base. Next, go in with concealer under your eyes, between your brows, on your chin, along the sides of your nose, and on any dark spots or blemishes. Now it's time for cream contour. Apply it to your cheekbones, temples, and under your jaw to sculpt your features. Set your base with a translucent setting powder, and then bring in dimension with powder contour and plenty of bronzer. Focus on your temples, near your hairline, your cheekbones, and just under your jawline. Blend everything well. Add a pop of color with powdered blush on your cheekbones and the apples of your cheeks. Let's move on to brows. Fill in your thin, arched brows with a darker brow pencil to create definition. For the eyes, apply a shade slightly darker than your skin tone all over the lid. Next, take a gray shadow and blend it from the outer corners into your crease. To add depth, use a touch of black on the outer edges and blend it into the gray for a smoky effect. Use a clean brush to soften the transitions. For a touch of glam, add glitter to your eyelid, blending it up toward the brow bone, and finish off with white highlighter on your brow bone. Coat your lashes with mascara, and if you're feeling bold, pop on some false lashes. Line your waterline with black eyeliner to tie the look together. If you want to go all in, you can lightly contour your nose for extra definition. For the lips, go with a frosted lipstick or a high-shine gloss. 3. Fake tan and body shimmer. McBling is all about the glow. A fake tan and a little body shimmer give you that sun-kissed look, perfect for making every outfit pop. 4. Handbag dog. No McBling outfit is truly complete without a tiny dog in an oversized bag. A dog is the iconic early 2000s addition we all think of when we hear celebrity chic. Here are brands that were popular during the McBling era. To find authentic McBling pieces today, vintage and secondhand stores are your best bet. Websites like Depop, eBay, ASOS, and ThredUp are loaded with nostalgic pieces if you dig deep enough. And if you love the iconic juicy tracksuits, you'll find them either through vintage shops or some current limited re-releases by Juicy Couture. Other stores include YesStyle, Urban Outfitters, Claire's, and Forever 21. Don't forget the value of thrifting and hand-me-downs for scoring authentic McBling pieces. It takes a little time to build the perfect McBling wardrobe, but the fun part is experimenting and creating your own take on the aesthetic. Whether it's a bedazzled belt or a Von Dutch trucker hat, let your style exude the carefree and flashy spirit of this aesthetic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more aesthetic breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.